Hello everyone, today is my husband's birthday, Rod. So I make a special present for him made of money, sticks, and scotch tape. So all you have to do is put the stick in the middle of the money and then you flip both sides and then put the tape. Ingon ana ra siya ka easy. So mauna ni tanan ako ang gihimo, gadali-dali ko kay wala na ko'y oras. Kay gikan pa ko nagtrabaho. I hope you like my simple present and I'm very happy that it's done now. All you have to do is put them together and make a flower. So that's gonna be a money flower, guys. I used the tape to wrap the sticks para matapan siya tanan. But you can use a styrofoam para pod ma-stick ang inyong flower sa styrofoam. Or pwede sad magamit ang kanang flower foam. Tape ra akong gamit kay wala man ko'y styrofoam or flower foam. Dinalian man gud ni akong pagkahimo, wala sa plano ba.